How to solve Wi-Fi access denied problem in your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Wi-Fi denied access problem on your iPhone. So let's just get started. So when you try to connect to your Wi-Fi, you go to your settings, go to your Wi-Fi, and try to connect to a different Wi-Fi. It says that your access has been denied. Now to fix that, what you can do is simply turn on and turn off, or turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi. After you do that, try to connect again and see if it connects. If it does not connect, what you can do is you can even try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode. Now if these two methods does not work, go to your settings, go to your general, and after you do so, scroll down all the way. Here you will see transfer or reset iPhone option. Tap on it, and there you will see reset and erase all content settings. Tap on reset, and there you will see reset network settings option. Tap on reset network settings and type in your password. After you do that, your iPhone will restart and your network problems that your iPhone has will get fixed, and you'll be able to connect to your Wi-Fi. And yeah, that is basically it. Now thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today, and